Dairymen have migrated across the United States, largely from California. First from Southern California, then to here in the central San Joaquin Valley. As these dairy families moved across the country, we at Schuil Ag Real Estate have helped them relocate and find places where they can grow and succeed. We know dairies, we know dairymen, and we know their needs.
Schuil Ag Real Estate is licensed in 12 different states, so we have a national presence. No matter what state you're in, we will fly to you and get boots on the ground.
Schuil Ag Real Estate is proud to present a new dairy listing in Southwest Kansas. For more information, please contact Schuil Ag Real Estate.
Wherever you're located, wherever your dairy is, we'd love to have a chat. I'd encourage you to check out our website. Give us a call anytime. We love to talk about trends in the industry, help assist you with valuations, and maybe even discuss potential opportunities for buying and selling real estate all across the nation.
At Schuil Ag Real Estate, you can expect a higher standard.